Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best in business-grade headsets, the Poly Voyager Focus 2 UC. If you're looking for a professional wireless headset that delivers superior sound, comfort, and performance, this is the one you've been waiting for. The Voyager Focus 2 UC isn't just another headset. It's the best of the Voyager Focus 2 lineup, and today, we're going to show you why. Let's start with the design. The Voyager Focus 2 UC comes in sleek black and has a premium, minimalist look that blends right into any professional environment. But don't let the looks fool you. This headset is packed with intelligent features designed to make your workday smoother. You get a handy desktop charging stand included, which not only keeps the headset charged but also gives your workspace a clean, organized aesthetic. Now, let's talk about comfort. Poly has nailed it with ultra-soft memory foam ear cushions wrapped in leatherette, giving you plush, all-day comfort. The adjustable padded headband ensures a secure fit whether you're in a short Zoom call or a marathon day of back-to-back meetings. You can literally forget you're even wearing them. Under the hood, the Voyager Focus 2 UC shines with hybrid active noise cancelling. With 3 levels of ANC, off, mid, and high, you can control how much ambient noise you want to block out. Whether you're working from a bustling cafe or a noisy open office, you can stay focused and in the zone. And speaking of staying focused, the microphone system is in a league of its own. It features a noise-canceling microphone with Poly's acoustic fence technology, which uses a beamforming array to isolate your voice and block out surrounding chatter. That means your voice comes through crystal clear, even in chaotic environments. It's ideal for professional calls where sounding sharp is non-negotiable. The Voyager Focus 2 UC also offers smart sensors. You can answer calls just by putting the headset on, and if you take it off, it automatically mutes the mic or pauses your media. It's intuitive and seamless, exactly what you'd expect from a premium device. You get up to 19 hours of talk time and 40 hours of listening time with ANC off. And when you're running low, the included stand lets you recharge while displaying your headset neatly on your desk. If you're on the move, the USB cable charges it up just as easily. Connectivity is another win. It's a Bluetooth headset that connects effortlessly to your PC or Mac using the BT700 USB adapter. You can also pair it with your mobile phone, and it remembers multiple devices so switching between work and personal is quick and easy. Voice alerts keep you updated with status changes like mute on, talk time remaining, or connection lost, helpful little touches that make a big difference during a busy workday. If you're a professional who takes a lot of calls, works from home, or needs to stay laser focused in a distracting environment, this headset is an absolute powerhouse. Its blend of comfort, audio quality, intelligent features, and polished design makes it the best of the Voyager Focus 2 series, hands down. That wraps up our hands-on review of the Poly Voyager Focus 2 UC, the ultimate headset for modern professionals. If you're serious about communication quality and want something that can keep up with your workflow, this is it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive. See you in the next video.